Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how to change the resolution of your League of Legends launcher. So first step we gonna do, open your League of Legends account on the profile. Then you sure to go on the up of the screen, and here you can see the icon of settings. Click here and then go directly guys to the interface here. Interface, then go down. Oh, I'm sorry guys, go to general, just general. Then here you can see the resolution of Windows says. You can change it like this, then click done, and as you can see guys, the resolution is changed right now. This is about the launcher, not the game. So if you want to back up like this, and then click here, and this is the tutorial guys of how to change the resolution on League of Legends launcher game. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope like and subscribe and put the comment. Thank you so much guys. See you another video.